It's Teacher Kate and it's Tuesday, so it's our numbers day. We do different thing with numbers. We do shapes. We get ready for early math skills. So today we're going to read this cool pop-up book called One Red Dot. In every page, we're going to find the red dot. Okay, are you ready? Whoa! One perplexing puzzle box and one red dot. Do you think you can find the red dot? I'm going to turn this. Woo! See if you can find it. Oh! I see it. Maybe you see it. I'm going to keep turning it. Maybe you can spot it. You see it? The red dot? One of these things has a red dot on it. Do you see it? It's not, we can't see it right now. But in a second, can you find it? It's right there. One red dot. Okay, let's see what the next page is. This one's kind of tricky, this page. Whoa! They're supposed to twirl. Whoa. Sometimes they twirl. Sometimes they don't. Like this. Whoa! Maybe they need to be pushed in a little more. There they go. Two twisty twirly gigs and one red dot. Do you see the red? Oh, the red dot just got caught on someone's shoulder. Do you see it? There's the red dot. Right there. Red dot. Whoa! Whoa! Oh, maybe it works better this way. Oh, let's see what's on the next page. Whoa! What do you think these are? What do they look like to you? This author calls them 3 burning baskets and 1 red dot. Oh, let's see if we can find the red dot. Where is it? Do you see it? Can you see it on the red and yellow basket? I saw it, but let's look on the other side and see if there's... Oh, it's not there. Let's see. It's right there. 1 red dot. Okay. So we're at 3. 1, 2, 3. What do you think the next number is? 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, look. This is 4 over here. 4 flip-flop flaps. Oh, is the red dot? 4 flip-flop flaps and 1 red dot. There it is, red dot. And 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What are they called? 5 wiggle wobble widgets. 5 wiggle wobble widgets and 1 red dot. Do you see the red dot? I think you must. It's right there. Wow, listen. Six fluttering flicker clickers and 1 red dot. Oh! You see the red dot pop up? Whoa! It's gonna pop up in my nose. Whoa! It's like I'm a clown. I'm gonna tip this screen down a little bit. Oh, there we go. Okay, let's see what comes after 6. You know? 6. 7. Whoa. 7 bouncing blue spots and 1 red dot. Whoa, look. There's the blue spots. Should we count them? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This one looks like it got kind of folded. Should we see if we can unfold it? I don't know. Unfolding the blue. There. And one red dot. Where's our red dot? Oh, it's over there, red dot. That's a funny shape, huh? Look at that cool pop-up. One red dot. Right. Where is it? There. Okay. What comes after 7? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 8! Oh my gosh, look at that. Do you see the red dot? I see it. 8 obedient orbs. Look at those circles. 8 obedient orbs. And 1 red dot. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 obedient orbs. Do you know what an orb is? An orb is like a sphere. It's a whole circle. 3-dimensional. Whoa! 9 nimble 9s. And 1 red dot. Oh, look, this is funny. They're 9. 9. Look, it's a 9. Number 9. Number 9. Number 9. 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh! 9. 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9. 9 nimble 9s. Look, they wiggle all the way around. And 1 red dot. Did you find the red dot? Nope, because you can't see it. Here it is. 1 red dot. You see it? I hope so. It's right here. Red dot. And then, here's the last one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 10. Oh my goodness. 10 curly cues. And 1 red dot. Where's the red dot? Do you think these are just the red dot? Or this is the red dot? Red dot. I don't know. I found it. It's here at the bottom of this black curly cue. 1 red dot. Well, I love this book. I hope you love it too. 1 red dot. Bye.